Imagine a world where logistics operations are so seamless that efficiency becomes second nature, where each truck arrival is perfectly timed and each worker's presence is automatically recorded without a single hiccup. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is now. This is Team 5. We are INNOVIS company. Let's start. My name is Muhammad Yunus, and I am thrilled to introduce you to our groundbreaking project here at INNOVIS today. I will be presenting alongside my talented teammates Diora, Sardar, Jawahar, Azamjan. Together we embarked on mission to revolutionize the logistics and supply chain industry with our innovative product Traki. INNOVIS is a startup company that specializes in operations management systems. Our flagship product, Traki, is designed to monitor, control, access to real-time data, transforming the way warehouse companies manage their daily activities. Traki is more than just a device. It's a comprehensive solution to common challenges faced by logistics centers, from automating employees' attendance check-ins and monitoring truck arrivals and departures. Traki brings a new level of efficiency and security to the industry, where advanced features like face recognition, license plate detection, Traki ensures that every entry and exit accurately recorded and easily accessible to managers. Our journey began with a deep dive into logistics industries. Traditional methods of tracking, such as manual check-ins, are not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors and security barriers. We wanted to create solutions that eliminates these issues, where enhancing operations workflows and ensuring robust security. Traki's development focused on four core areas: automation, centralized communication, enhanced security, and actionable insights. By automating attendance and monitoring system, Traki saves valuable time and reduces human error. Our centralized platform ensures seamless communication across warehouses, truck drivers, and managers, leading to improved operational efficiency. INNOVIS targets warehouses, managers, and logistics professionals who demand high-quality first-class solutions to optimize their workflows. Traki not only meets but exceeds these expectations by providing real-time data, actionable insights. This empowers managers to make informed decisions, enhances overall productivity, and reduces costs.
My name is Joe here, and I'll be walking you through the technology part and the overall structure of our product. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have printed out the 3D model. So it consists of Raspberry Pi and camera, which is really cheap considered to other products. So this is our main strands. Now, moving on to the next parts, I'll be showing you the flowcharts, explaining how our product works. So our project consists of two main parts. One for the employee attendance checking, and the next one is for truck license plate recognition for warehouses. So let me walk you through the first part of our project, which is for employee attendance check. I'll be showing you the flowchart here, as you can see on the screen. It consists of some stages to successfully recognize the face of the employee. So the first one is we'll start to capture the image, which is our product will be placed on the wall and it will continuously capture the image. And when the employee comes in front of the camera, here we have a camera, and when the employee comes in front of the camera, it will detect the face. And if it recognizes, it will send it to our database, which is Telegram in our case. So to detect the face, we are using the coding in Python using the face recognition library. So as you can see on the flowchart, we have a decision and logging stage. So this will be mainly calculating the size of the face, like the I will show you later on in the code. After it successfully recognizes the face, it will log the timestamps and it will save the image and send it to Telegram. Now we are moving on to the next part of our project, which is truck license monitoring. This is a little bit harder than the face image recognition, to be honest. So it will take a lot of time to explain, but I will walk you through the flowchart real quickly. So it's at the beginning, it's similar to the face recognition. We will capture the image, start the image pre-processing. We are converting the image to grayscale to make it shorter, the computing time, and we will reduce the noise, and we will brighten the contrast and everything. We will adjust the image, and after that, we will detect the license plate. If there is a license plate detected, we will continue on to the next stages, but if there is no any license, it will go back to the first stage, which is capturing the image. So after it successfully recognizes the license plate, we will crop the image and we will do some OCR, which is optical character recognition, and after that we will detect the characters, each segment of the characters. At the last stages, it's similar to face recognition. We will save the license plate number and send it to our database for storage. Now let's move on to the PyCharm, which is our IDE for coding, and I will show you the main points of our code. So as you can see here, we are right now at the face image recognition. So as you can see, we are explaining everything here in our folder in this file, readme file, and it says we have to install 3.9 Python, and to detect the faces we have to install certain libraries, and to send it to Telegram we have to install the teleport library, and here we have the basic instructions on how to add new persons to our database. At the beginning we are installing the important libraries, and we are getting this cascade, HR cascade, which is used for detecting the faces. Now we are creating a database using SQL library, and here you can see the commands which will explain our code more clearly. And clear the table. If there's a new table created, every time we run the project, it will start from the beginning. We will delete the table and start it again. So to make it more efficient, so we are doing this, and we are creating a table. If it doesn't exist, it will create a new table. Then we will start to capture the image, and here we have some basic formula to make it to send only one picture of the same person. Next, in this function, we are running the main parts, which is continuously recognizing or capturing the image. And here we are converting to grayscale, and we are cropping the images. So when the face is detected, we will just get just the face itself, because we don't need the body to show whose attendance is taken. After we are detecting the faces, if there are any faces detected, we are moving on to the next part, which is comparing. And in this function, we are comparing the persons. If they are in our database, we will recognize their names and faces. Here is the codes for that. Actually, we are using this library, face recognition. Here, as you can see, we have like our group mates images, Azam John, Diora, Hamad Yunus, Sardar, and even we added the Professor Victoria Kim's image with her permission. Here you can see the names for each image, and we are loading our file to face recognition library. We are detecting the faces, we are doing the encodings, and we are using this cutoff, which is like if the face is closer to any image we loaded, we will get that name, which is similar to that face. So we will do some basic calculations of our faces. Now, another library that we are using is Telegram. So it's really simple, to be honest. We are using just the teleport library. It will send the image and the message to the group chat that we created, which is ID is here. Moving back to the main function of our project, we are just calculating the last person, and after the face is detected, we are saving it to the database, and we are sending to Telegram. And lastly, if there are any images or names saved to database, we will just print it out, and lastly we will just exit. Now we have another project which is for the license plate detection. Here you can see the README file where we gave like a little bit of explanation to our project. So it says we will start the algorithm, turn on the camera, detect the cars, and we will detect the Korean license plate in cars, and after that we will do the OCR, and it will send it to Telegram. To run this library successfully, we need YOLO 5, Easy OCR, PyTorch, OpenCV, and NumPy. And you can install all these libraries using pip install. Now the main parts of our code, we are just importing the libraries here, and similar to the face recognition, we are using a HR cascade, which is to detect the license plate of the cars. It doesn't recognize the letters or symbols, it will just detect the license plate. Next, we are using the OpenCV, again, video capture. We are detecting the license plate here. If there are any license plate detected, we will import this function, which is detect, to recognize all the symbols and characters on the license plates. And after that, we have load model. We are using PyTorch. We are loading the models of YOLO 5, which we got from the Ultralytics GitHub account. It's really useful, actually. You can check it out. And here we have the easy OCR to load the reader, and the detect function, which we have here, is for detecting the characters. So we have basically two functions, one for detecting the license plate, and the next one is detecting the characters on the license plate. So first, this one is for license plate. We are loading the image. We are using the OpenCV to resize the image, to make it like to adjust the noise and contrast. And we are reading the image, and if there are any error, we will just return the image. And we are drawing, and we are cropping the image and the parts where we need mostly for detecting the characters. And the next one is for car. When the car license plate is detected, but the characters couldn't be read, and this part of the function is for that. So it's actually doing the same thing. Using the OpenCV, we are just reading the texts and drawing the rectangles. Similar to the face recognition, we are using the teleport library here for Telegram to send the message, and we created a separate group for that. So we are using another ID of our group. This was it for my part, for technology part, and thank you so much. Next, my teammates will continue.
Now, I will walk you through a market segment. Total number of end users in the market is approximately 118,000 combined, with small and medium-sized inventory managing centers. However, if we focus solely on subsegment of our market, then we will be potentially working with approximately 38,000 existing warehouses. Our product will be targeted towards warehouses that use manual ways to license plate checking for security purposes and would love to automatize attendance checking process because it would solve their problems related to truck management and also surveillance. Our specific customer persona is an experienced warehouse manager with bachelor's degree in logistics. Our persona has two main dreams, and one of his dreams is to increase efficiency in his warehouse, and he wants to develop in professional sense and to contribute to his work efficiency. However, he has been struggling with the second dream because his warehouse has been expanding in the sense of traffic of trucks coming in and out of the warehouse. As a result, there were cases where his employees could not manage the security check well and could not organize the flow of trucks. The same cases has happened for several times, and he has been seeking for alternative solutions to manage trucks efficiently and never face the same troubles again, because it affected his work so much and caused so much troubles. We are so positive about our market because it's wide enough, even though at the beginning we will be focusing only on South Korea's warehouses. Mainly, we will supply our products to 5 major areas in South Korea. First, Seoul, Busan, Daegu, Suwon, and Ulsan. However, potentially we could be working with more than 38 existing warehouses all over South Korea, and there is a high chance to promote our product through word of mouth and alternative ways to market our product and achieve positive cash flow and profitability. Considering everything, we are so positive about beachhead market as our initial market because with $300 profit per device per year, estimated annual profit will be around $37,960,000, which means 200% growth per year. According to the research, we found out that 20% of the market share will be achieved after initial start in 5 to 6 years. If we are reasonably successful, we will be able to cover 32.2% of the total market. Having mentioned everything above, we want to mention 3 main assumptions that could possibly affect our results and also our profit. In case of high demand for monitoring, relatively low number of competition in the market, and also accessibility of our product, the chances that we meet above mentioned results in 5 years of time frame will be possible. However, if these conditions are not met, results might vary and wait a second. Now I would love to talk about competitors. There are few strong competitors in the market which use cutting-edge technology to detect license plate through automatic number plate recognition, which is ANRP, which is equipped with cameras that could monitor trucks. Basically, it's a technology that uses speed image capture for detecting characters, numbers in the image taken. And having mentioned about ANRP, we came across with another alternative that warehouses are using, which is radio frequency identification, which is RFID. This automatic technology enables the warehouse managers to identify images, goods, animals, and even human within a short time. Regarding the production part, there are several famous companies that supply warehouses with those cameras, such as Hikvision, Genoptics, and others. Now, I want to provide a functional comparison with direct competitors and existing products in the market, highlighting the technical advantages and enhancements our product offers. After meticulously analyzing our competitors, we made sure that our product does not have any weaknesses of our competitors, and also our product has some more unique functions that could be found nowhere and not in any company. Most of our competitors are well-known companies that are in the market for a long time. However, they are not specified only in warehouse management. So this is what we can win over, and we provide unique solutions to their problems. Let me introduce you with 3 weaknesses that we came across with our competitors. First of all, they have comparatively higher price because of brand awareness, and second of all, they have separated system for each camera, and lastly, they have single-use function for each and every camera that they install in the warehouses. However, luckily with our Traki, we solved the problem, and now let me introduce you benefits and positive sides of Traki that solved our competitors' weaknesses. First thing that I want to mention is low cost compared to our competitors. Second is easy data integration. Next, well-developed ecosystem that enables centered control, which means we can control many different warehouses in many different areas in one control stations. And next, we are able to store large data, and compact and fashionable design and multifunctionality is one of the main positive sides of our device. And we believe that our product Truckee can solve customers' problems and meet their demand.
From now on, I'll present our business model for Truckee, our innovative system designed to revolutionize attendance and track monitoring warehouses through advanced facial recognition and license plate detection technologies. So first, let's look through our business model and explore how we make Truckee work seamlessly for you. Let's start by understanding who Truckee is designed for. We have identified several key customer segments that can benefit immensely from our system. First and foremost, there are households seeking enhanced security and convenience. With Truckee, families can enjoy peace of mind knowing that their homes are secure and that only authorized individuals have access. Then there are hospitals where management of staff and patient entry is efficient. Truckee streamlines this process, reducing wait times and ensuring smooth operations. Finally, we have offices that require automated attendance tracking and security measures. Truckee simplifies these tasks, allowing businesses to focus on what matters mostly, which is productivity and growth. By providing to these diverse segments, we aim to address a variety of needs and provide tailored solutions to each. Now let's talk about financial side of the things. How do we sustain and grow Truckee as a business? Our revenue streams are designed to ensure a steady income while offering value to our customers. When someone purchases Truckee, they pay an initial upfront fee of $999. This covers the cost of the device and its setup. Additionally, we offer a subscription model at $10 per month, providing continuous technical updates and cloud storage for data. This subscription model not only ensures that customers always have access to the latest features and support, but also provides a recurring revenue stream for us. In special occasions, we also offer discount prices, typically during special events or promotional periods, to make Truckee more accessible to a wider audience. Now let's take a look behind the scenes at how Truckee is made. Our manufacturing process is a crucial aspect of our operations, ensuring that every Truckee device meets our high standards of quality and reliability. It all starts with the design phase, where our team of engineers create a detailed blueprint for the Truckee device. Extensive research and development go into ensuring that every component is carefully crafted to work seamlessly together. Once the design finalized, we move on to the production phase. Here, the state-of-the-art machinery, the skilled technicians assemble the components to create the final Truckee product. Quality assurance is a top priority throughout the manufacturing process, with each device undergoing accurate testing to ensure it meets our strict standards. Once the designs pass the inspection, they are carefully packaged and prepared for shipment to our customers. Getting Truckee into the hands of our customers is a top priority. We utilize various distribution channels to ensure accessibility and convenience, whether you prefer to shop online or visit physical store. Truckee is available through direct and indirect sales channels. You can purchase Truckee directly from our website, where you will find detailed product information and seamless purchasing process. Additionally, Truckee is available in select retail stores and online marketplaces, making it accessible to customers worldwide. Our strategic partnerships with retailers and distributors help us to reach new markets and expand our customer base. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond just selling Truckee. We are dedicated to providing exceptional customer support every step of the way. Our support team is available 24/7 to assist with any questions or issues you may encounter. Whether it's setting up Traki, troubleshooting technical issues, or providing guidance on best practices, we are here to help you. Your feedback is valuable to us. It guides our efforts to continually improve and enhance the Traki experience for all users. We are actively listening to customers' feedback and incorporate into our product development. In short, our business model for Traki is centered around leaving value, accessibility, and support to our customers. By understanding their needs, providing transparent pricing, and offering reliable customer service, we are confident that Traki will continue to make a significant impact in attendance and track monitoring in warehouses.
Alright, today I'm very excited to outline our comprehensive marketing strategy to bring our state-of-the-art device to the logistics industry, particularly to Korea. Our main marketing approach is to participate in well-known business exhibitions, starting with the annual Korean Public Procurement Exhibition. This exhibition provides us with a valuable opportunity to showcase our advanced technology to key decision makers in the logistics industry, such as logistics companies. During these exhibitions, our focus is on communicating with logistics centers, managers, and showing them how our technology can significantly optimize their work processes. In addition to our trade show presence, we recognize the power of word-of-mouth marketing. As our technology is adopted by a variety of companies, we expect satisfied users to naturally become advocates who spread the word about the effectiveness of our solution. This organic advertising not only increases our reputation, but also creates interests in other companies who want to experience the benefits directly. In addition, we will create a dedicated website to enhance our marketing efforts. This platform serves as a comprehensive resource that provides detailed information about our technology and its practical applications. Prospective customers can explore case studies that demonstrate the experiences of other companies with our technology, demonstrating its significant benefits in real-world scenarios. Now, I would like to talk a crucial aspect of our project: intellectual property protection. First and foremost, we take steps to protect our innovations through patents. In particular, we will obtain a patent to protect Traki's unique face and license plate recognition technology. This legal protection ensures that our private technology remains exclusive to Traki and protects it from unauthorized use or duplication by competitors. In addition to patents, we also prioritize protecting our brand identity through trademarks. By protecting the Traki brand and logo, we establish a clear presence in the marketplace and prevent potential infringement or misuse by third parties. This trademark protection reinforces the integrity of our brand and builds trust among our customers and partners. We also recognize the importance of protecting our software codes and design elements. To this end, we have copyrighted the Traki software code and design elements to cover it. This comprehensive approach ensures that our intellectual property rights are protected, protecting the integrity and value of our technology assets. We actively protect Traki's innovation and intellectual property through patenting, trademarking, and copyright protection. This protection not only maintains our competitive edge, but also reinforces our commitment to provide unparalleled solutions for the logistics industry.
Запись var? Bir запись. Bana telefonu var ki.
Okey, men kerakda hamma ma'lumotlar.
Bunu küçük
Ha, ular yo'q qo'ygan.
to'xtang, bu men boshqa spich bo'lgan. Başkattan. Qani ya? Speech qo'y gitti.
Hepsi var mı? Hadi başlayalım.